Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an instructional video on the 7 products you should look into if you're looking to dip your toe into the waters of Korean beauty. This video is specifically for those who are just starting out in K-beauty. I know for me, it was very overwhelming when I first started looking into K-beauty. There was just so many products, so many skin types, so many ingredients, so many options, so many just the 10-step Korean skincare. That's my kitten, Solomon. He's brand new. He's got a little energy today. It was just so overwhelming for me when I started looking into it that I figured that I could write through this video. I've been doing this for about 2 years now, really getting into K-beauty and Korean beauty products. I figured I could put together like a little starter pack of 7 products that you should look into if you're starting a Korean beauty regime or you want to delve a little bit deeper into Korean beauty. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first product I want to talk about, I do want to start with skincare products because Korean beauty is known all over the world for their skincare. It's most of it's really high quality skincare. A lot of it is really affordable in comparison to Western style skincare for the same ingredients. So I wanted to start with skincare and kind of show you what you can insert into your routine that is I found is quite different from Western style. So the first product I want to talk about is an oil-based cleanser. This one is from Innisfree. This is the Apple Seed Cleansing Oil. You can get a liquid form. Cleansing balms are also oil-based first cleansers. The thing with cleansing oils is that they are meant for a double cleanse. So what you do is you'll take off your makeup with the cleansing oil on a dry face. You'll wet your hands and rub it in your face and it'll foam up a little bit. This is our life now. You rub it into your face with a wet hand and it'll foam up a little on your face, and then you rinse it away, and then you follow up with a water-based cleanser just to get the rest of the makeup residue and any impurities off your face. So the oil-based cleanser, whether you get in liquid or balm form, is your makeup remover. There's tons of them out there. Just look for oil cleanser or cleansing balm, cleansing oil, any type of that type of product, and you should be able to find one that removes makeup. The next skincare product I want to talk about is very central to Korean skincare routines, and that is the essence. This one is from the SEM. This is the Dewy Love Hydrating Essence. This is more of a cream, like a lotion-y style of essence. You can also get more liquidy versions. The essence is kind of what gave K-beauty its fame. The essence is not a serum, but it's not a toner. It's in between. It's supposed to help the rest of the products in your routine after it absorb into your skin. So once you're done your double cleanse and your toner, you're supposed to go into an essence. So with essences, there's so many out there, and really it depends on what your skin concern is. I wouldn't do an essence with more than one skin concern addressed. Please excuse the noise. I'm not joking. He's like 11 weeks old. He's a little bit of a terror right now. They're having a good time. But essences are the central aspect of Korean skincare routines. They're made to be the first step of your skincare layering, but you can use them alone. You can use them with a serum. You can use them whenever you like in your routine, but they are the quintessential Korean skincare product. The next product I want to talk about is also along the same lines. Solomon! Oh my gosh. Is also along the same lines as an essence because they are soaked in essence, and that is... He's launching himself in and out of this box. Oh no, now he's after me. Oh my goodness. These are soaked in essence. This is a sheet mask. These are one-time use masks. Again, like the essence, they're actually kind of the staple in a Korean skincare routine. Some people use them every day. I use them about every 4 days. But I find that these give your skin just that burst of moisture. Don't expect them to do anything else because of the fact that really they're only on your face for 20 minutes. So unless you're using the same one for 30 days in a row or more, you're probably not going to see many results other than extreme ultra hydration. So, but they actually force you to slow down. You put them on for 20 minutes, you relax, and then you take them off and pat in the essence that is left over on your face. But yeah, they're inexpensive. Every one of them is inexpensive unless you go for like Shiseido, which by the way, Asian skincare brand. They're Japanese, they're not Korean, but most of them are really, really affordable. A lot of them are less than $1 if you can get them on sale. They're wonderful to use. They really help with relaxation. A lot of them smell really nice. And if you're looking for that extra punch of hydration, especially where winter's coming, these are the way to go. And the final skincare product, well, it's really a bonus product. It's not really skincare. It's not really makeup. It's more of an accessory to your skincare. And it is the cotton pad. This one is from Etude House. It's bigger than my head. I think it's 1,002 pads in here. Cotton pads from Korea are phenomenal. They, especially the thinner ones. I find like, I used to use the Shiseido ones, which are like $12 or 13 bucks now from Sephora. Shiseido, again, is a Japanese brand, which is kind of nice as that segue into Korean beauty. However, I find the thinner ones are so much better. I love the Pyongyang ones. I am excited to use these ones because they're so thin. The thinner ones don't absorb as much toner, so you get to use less toner. So the thicker they are, it does not necessarily mean the better they are. I actually prefer the thinner ones. You can get these ones from Etude House for like $4, $5 US from their website. And you get 1,000 of them. I use one a day because I use an oil-based cleanser to cleanse my skin, not a micellar water. So I only use really one a day. So this one, between me and Tyler, who uses one a day as well, will last us over a year. So it's kind of that, like for $5 over a year. Yes, please. You just have to buy another. You have to have a container or have another box of cotton pads to put these in, because this is a lot to put on your bathroom counter. However, they're a great deal and I'm so excited to start using them. Moving into makeup, the really iconic Korean makeup product that really all of these are actually now made in Korea and you can't make them anywhere else. So even Western style brands have these made in Korea. And that is the Cushion Foundation. This one is from Moonshot. I also have one from Holika Holika. I've used them from Etude House. Like every Korean makeup brand and even some Western brands like Wet n Wild, Maybelline, Physicians Formula all have versions of these. You can even get Chanel ones at this point, is the Cushion Foundation. The Cushion Foundation is great for travel. This one's not open yet, but if you can see, it comes in this little compact. These foundations are made to be used with the puff that's included with them. Beauty sponges do not distribute them well. Brushes don't either. Most Korean brands have a dewy finish to them. There's very few matte finishes to them, but they come in like a compact like this with the little air puff there, and then you open it and the cushion is underneath here. You can get them at every price point, from the very inexpensive Tony Moly ones right up to, as I said, Chanel. This one is kind of middle of the road. This is actually YG, the music brand's makeup brand, beauty brand, Moonshot. So it's kind of middle of the road. I got this for I think $14. The only downside with them is that there's a lot less product in this. You're probably gonna get about half the product you would get in a traditional foundation. So either watch for ones with refills, which add up to the 1 ounce, or be prepared to pay a little bit more because the packaging is what you're paying for. However, I don't know if this one does it. Yeah. The thing with the packaging though is that you can buy refills, which are a lot cheaper and more environmentally conscious. So instead of throwing away all of this, you just throw away this middle part and you can get refills for all of it. So that's kind of nice. A little more environmentally friendly than having to throw away an entire compact, which I find a little bit wasteful. But yeah, with cushion foundations, a lot of the time it's not a foundation, it's actually BB cream. This one's got SPF 50 in it, so you're looking at quite a bit of flashback. As well, Korean brands with cushions, except for very, very few. I think Laneige is starting to branch out, maybe has 2 to 3 shades. I tend to be the darkest shades, so if you have a deeper skin tone than I do, If you're not going with a brand that has a wider range, these may not be for you. However, I know Maybelline and Western style brands does have a wider shade range as well, and they would be ideal to test this stuff out. But yeah, so that's the iconic makeup product of Korean brands. The next makeup product I want to talk about from Korean brands is an eye product. Korean makeup focuses very much on what they call the aegyeosal. And the aegyeosal is what is the little like bag underneath your eye here. So where your eye lid, I guess, comes up over your eyeball. The bigger it is, the more dolly look you have. And a lot of people like to emphasize that with glitter eyeliners. So you can buy them in, this one's from Hulika. Hulika, I have a stick form here. This is the Jewel Light waterproof eyeliner. It's made to be, I have scratches on my hands, please ignore those. It's made to be an emphasis on that aegyeosal. So you'll put it underneath and it gives you that reflection to make it either look bigger or emphasize what you have. I also have an Etude House one here. This is the Tear eyeliner. This one is a liquid, as you can see. This one is more glitter, less shimmer. You see that one right there. It's more shimmer, it's more glitter, less shimmer, but it's made to be put under your eyes. So if you've already been blessed with large aegyeosals, you're the standard of beauty in Korea. But I really like that these are really affordable. Like this, I think was like $3, and this is maybe $6 US. Like they're not expensive. You can get really affordable styles of them. It comes in numerous colors. This one's got 4, and this has got 20 plus, I think, in this style of eyeliner. They're great. They're really high quality without being the high price tag. So that is another thing I would recommend if you want to dip your toe into Korean makeup. And the final product I want to talk about is also iconic in Korean beauty, and that is the lip tint. The lip tint has been a staple in Korean makeup forever. Well before I started. It's made as a lip stain. You can get it in a watery format, as you can see here. It's literally looks like colored water, or you can get it in more of a creamy format, which is this one. This one's from Peripera. This is the Vivid Tint Water, and this one is from 3CE, the more creamy style of one. They're made to stain really, really like crazy. Like once it dries, it's not coming off. This isn't really orange. That's a really orange color. This is the watery one. But they're made to go on as for, like it used to be for gradient lips, where you would dab a little bit into the inner portion and then use your finger to dab it out so that your lips look smaller than what they actually are. As you can see, like Korean beauty standards are vastly different from Western, where Western style is trying to make their lips look bigger. Korean standards are trying to make their lips look smaller. That is the cream one from 3CE. But they're made to stain, so they fade away a lot more gracefully than liquid lipsticks do here. I really enjoy the creamy ones more than the watery ones, because I find the watery ones tend to leach out of my lips. If you have any wrinkles around your lips or your lips are textured, they tend to stick in the lines, so it doesn't fade away as nicely. But it's a longer lasting formula, so you can see there, it's gonna last you a lot longer than the creamy style ones. But I like the creamy style ones because they're a little bit more comfortable. They fill in the lines a little bit better, and they fade away a lot more gracefully. Those are my 7 Korean beauty products to dip your toes into the water of Korean skincare and makeup. If you have any other suggestions on Korean products to kind of open the door to the compendium of, or the Pokedex of Korean beauty products, leave a comment down in the comment section down below. And also, if you have any questions about any of the products I mentioned, or if you have any questions about any other Korean products, also leave a comment down in the comment section and I will do my best to answer it, or someone else in the community will do their best to answer your question. And with that, this video is done for today. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up down below. And if you want to see more content from me, don't forget to hit the little red subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I post new content, don't forget to hit the little bell next to it. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.